Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Naveen Narendranath and I'd like to welcome to this very special episode which I called Lockdown Series. Now why I decided to do the series is because when we do our tele consultation, a lot of people have problems of red eyes, or they complain of watering eyes, or they complain of having swelling or boils around their eyes. So these are a lot of issues which most of the general public have, and they consult me online to get remedies for these solutions, so to speak, for these issues. So today I'll talk about red eyes. So most commonly people say, doctor, my eyes are red, or my right eye or left eye is red, and could this be an infection, and can we start using some antibiotic eye drops? Well, it's very difficult to say what red eye is. Red eye, although red eye is actually just a symptom, and it could actually be a lot of problems can present as red eye. So it could be something as simple as an allergic manifestation of eye disease. It could be a localized inflammation of the eye, which we call uveitis or scleritis. It could be because of raised eye pressure. It could also be an infection. It could be a foreign body, a small dust particle might have fallen in the eye. So it can be any of this. So unless we know for sure what it is very difficult for the ophthalmologist to decide on the right course of treatment. The most common cause of red eyes, at least during the lockdown that I've seen, is because of allergy. Something might have fallen into their eye, they would have rubbed their eye, and for an allergic conjunctivitis we get a very typical type of a congestion. So basically we base our diagnosis on where the eye is red, what type of redness that is, what is the color, the density of the redness, whether one eye is affected or whether both eyes are affected, whether patient has any other systemic issue like diabetes or blood pressure. So all these things actually help us to decide and rule out certain other conditions, and we are in a position then to decide and come to a reasonable diagnosis, and we give a treatment. So talking about red eyes, I think as I mentioned, most common is allergic conjunctivitis. So typically this is associated with a lot of itchiness, so you will have this tendency to rub the eyes, and if you have that, I think the most important and significant thing that you could do is a very simple home remedy, which is keeping something cool over your eye. So I would recommend, you don't even have to get an eye gel mask online. You could just use a cold tomato or a cold cucumber. You don't even have to slice it, just something cold, a cold brinjal, a cold milk packet. If it is, of course it should be nicely sanitized, a cold milk packet or even a cold water bottle. If that can be placed over the eye, it can give you immense relief, and your problems are likely to go away. Now when the allergy is a little severe, at which point it doesn't go away with the simple cold compress, then you could consult an ophthalmologist or consult online, and we could start you on certain special eye drops which will help reduce the inflammation. Now this is a simple treatment and the most common issue that we see. The second thing is of course an eye infection. We have Madras eye or the pink eye, or that is basically a bacterial infection which is usually seen during this month. Now because of the lockdown, we don't see a lot of the usual conjunctivitis that we see during the summers. That has reduced a lot. If it is something like that, you are likely to have very thick yellow type of a discharge, and in that case I would recommend antibiotic eye drops. You could get a lot of over-the-counter antibiotics, but if you are starting an antibiotic, I would suggest that you use these drops for a minimum of 5 days and not less than that. So we've covered two major causes of red eyes today. I really hope that this was useful, you find this useful, and you are able to put this to practice, and that can help alleviate your symptoms a lot. So thank you and have a wonderful day.